Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system. At the tone, please record your message.
Hey, so I guess this is my little catch up before we get into the vlog. The past month has honestly been such a fun one. 3 countries, 4 cities: Poland, Czech Republic, and Deutschland. From Wrocław to Prague to Brno and finally Berlin. I did a lot, saw a lot, and definitely had a lot of fun. Didn't really vlog the way I wanted to, but if you wanna check out the trip, I was documenting it over on TikTok. So definitely check that out. I'm back in Kenya, back on YouTube, and honestly I'm really excited for everything I've planned for the rest of the year.
Flying back to Nairobi. It's been a lovely 4 weeks or 3 weeks, I don't
Wir sendet ja morgen für euch mit Anna und mir Ben. Ihr habt mir geschrieben, ihr habt uns geschrieben auf WhatsApp, Instagram, ihr habt euch mit Sorgen. We up in the clouds with the sun in our eyes.
I want your body all over my mind. Guys, I'm telling you. And I showed before we took a ndege. Because I was so pressed and the lines at customs was so long. I almost peed on myself. But I feel so good now. And I'm even like 20 minutes. This airport is very large. Nikikuta, I missed 3 flights continuously because of getting lost one. And the airport is so massive, it's not even funny. See you in Nairobi.
She knows I'm watching. She likes the way I stare. They say why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way?
So I'm finally home and my cat wants nothing to do with me. Hata naona ni kama imenisahau, like hata hakuna hata mapenzi yati nimekumiss mom. Hakuna mapenzi kama hiyo. And I dare you to come par at me at night. Nitakufukuza. Of course siwezi kufukuza, but nasikia vibaya. Ngani ni mdono wangu.
Soko veggies kama
That's good. The last time ukula veggies, mko nikukula European diet. Unanikaribisha na ugali na sukuma. Sijakula ugali for 3 weeks. Oh, but nimekula ugali ya
maju.
Ya Czech Republic. Hawaiti ugali but wanaipika kama ugali mkate. Funny though.
Ugali mkate.
Zinaitwa ganache. I forget the name. But nimefika and I'm so glad. Sasa nimetoka Frankfurt. Airport tu ninywe, bags zinasonga vizuri, juu floors ziko smooth. Kapo exit ya JKIA. Wewe na blink aje? Nangangana tu. Sasa wamepatch ma places kwa floor instead to renovate the whole floor. Niko here even hivyo tu najua merudi kwenye nyumbani. Back home. We love home. This is what I was waiting for. Like actually home. 1 Wewe hata wezi kuwa umenimiss tu kwenda sana. Anyway, 2 represents Poland, Prague and Berlin. That's for Deutschland. Nilisema hii mwaka ikiisha nitakuwa na 6 of them. Niko na 1, 2, 3, 4. But we have 6.
Ooh, it's something about the way she moves. I can't figure
my namesake for the day.
Yeah.
Time to go get my hair undone and time for a new style. This style has served me for 1 month. I loved how I was able to style it in so many different ways, and I'm gonna be doing it again. So
To the salon!
Fika nimechelewa na kama 15 minutes or so. Kumbe hata niko sawa on time. I love this color on my face.
So much things I did not say. I'm from Portmore, that's in JA. We can do it on that beach there.
Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Rock it, set it, rock it, set it.
Hapa nimeamua ku grab lunch hapa shawarma street and I look so young. Naka katoto. This is my first time trying the shawarma wings. Nasikia as you slap. Sipendi hizi chicos. So I feel like in after it's high time they change the oil. Yeah, so sijamaliza. There they are. This is malizi but the kuku. So I got myself this pillow. Hata si hii pillow nilikuwa nataka lakini I thought I did a sleepover at a friend and they had this, the one that compresses naturally, like hii iko na different feel than this, but this one is also comfortable. I bought it off Jumia and I like that I can actually wash this cover kichafuka. Oh, siwezi osha hii cover. Jesus, ona minaka. My pillows are like done. They're not comfortable anymore. Like you need 2 pillows for aesthetics, but really talalia zote mbili. Oh, inatoshea. So at least I got. But I like a very comfortable pillow. It's very comfortable. I learned a lala poa. Damn. Prada. And then I got this duvet. I'm really not liking hizi duvet za kitambo. Hii niko nayo. Like, also this is courtesy of Berlin. These are like the warmest duvet ever. I know see azikai warm, but oh my god, nilijifunika nayo for a month hadi nafika mahali nasikia joto. So hii iko na joto, trust. And the fact that ni double sided, so he said na maua, so colorful. Na he said Regali are launching a new collection called Tesfa, and they sent me a PR pack. I love working with this brand. They have really good quality clothes. Talk about this color. Yeah, mtaiona nimevaa in the next vlog. By the way, niwaambie something. You see this manila paper? Hiyo page nyingine imeshaja. This I did before I left. Sitaki kujiself-diagnose, but I have very ADHD tendencies where I like forget stuff or like I'm easily distracted and I later end up feeling so bad for not being so productive. So like I'm trying to work a system that will work for me. Yeah, I will let you know how that goes in like a month. So I'm doing, September is a try and error to see some of the things that I actually try kama zitaniwakia. And then up there is my vision board. Gosh guys, like Ebu, make sure you do vision boards by the way before the year starts. There's just something about vision boards that just gives you like it's like a path. Atusemi jusi kila kitu kwa vision board lazima it come true, but me so far vision board yangu majority of the things come true. Kama ya last year sidhani kuna kitu haiku come true isipokuwa gari, so nika forward to this year. And also for the like na feelingi nataka gari, but at the same time I know I hate driving. I really don't enjoy driving, but I thought of just having my own car and you know just being able to cruise around. I feel like I would look very pretty in a Porsche, like wrapped in like a shiny purplish color, because purple is like is actually my favorite color. Of things I learned during my Euro summer trip, one thing I discovered about myself
is that kuna na English ya kuongea kawaida na kuna a conversational English. Guys, sina conversational English the way I thought I had it. Cause tell me why. Inko najipata sometimes nimenyamaza. Cause una get like saka saizi nikiweza kuuliza experience yako. Like is a experience yako ya trip ilikuwaje? Nitakuwa like oh my god, ilikuwa so awesome. Imagine nitaenda into detail na Kiswahili expressions, mawe, aiwe, wacha tu bonze ilikuwa fiti. Hebu jaribu kufanya hivyo na Kiingereza. It's not as easy as it seems. But that's one thing I learned. So I think I'm going to use this channel to actually improve on that. And also mkifeel na twang na wang, it's very necessary. Trust you me. It's very necessary to add those people. Kasababu. Yeah. How much, Prada? I literally just made it on time. Kuna baridi. Meta nashangaa. Hi. No worries. It's so cold. Nani August misielewi by the way. But anyway, nilipitia kwa Ujipawa. So kwa Ujipawa na si nikingoja meeting yangu. Yay! New brand on board. I'm working with Sophie this month and I'm so excited. Like, I feel like I'm well rested. I'm very creative sizing.
I hear babe in her voice. Then we danced underneath the candelabra. She takes the lead. That's when I saw it in her eyes.
Nimesema mince kg, beef kg, guys. Na 150 paka. Oh, uko na pork. Niko hapa na shop for meat. Nikiwa tena napenda kustock hizi kama mwezi hivi. Kako sawa? Yeah. I think I spent like around 2,000 hizi manyama zote. Nikienda sana 2,500. I find it better kwa sababu uko home nikipimisha kila siku. It doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense at all.
Niambie.
Nimekuja kucharge. Crystals Yeah. But if you're ever in need of crystals, nimekuja hapa kwa Henga Crystals anakuanga hapa City Market. These are my crystals. They literally never leave my bag. So I recharge them hapa. Nikuja kununua nyama every time. Today's errand is taking my laptop to get fixed. Ilinizimia. And I don't want another laptop. But I'm just hoping it's expensive. Na kenye imeharibika stick to more than 10 Gs. Hata if I kufika hata 5K. Like, cause I'm not saving for a Mac. Not a MacBook. I don't want a MacBook. I want an iPad. I'm saving for an iPad now. That's what I want to buy next. The fact that I'm even shooting for YouTube saizi, you don't know how happy I am. Na siji YouTube, itakuwa to lifestyle things I do. I feel like my weeks are usually very active. So niko na a lot going on. But yeah, honestly, hana venye nakaa poa. So clear, like, yeah. Niali nifanya hizi videos by the way.
Yeah, come get your nails done at Kate's Nails Bar.
Hujapata jina ya kujipatia. Anafanya kazi safi by the way.
Yeah.
Pande ile challenge yako. Tumeke katika chone ataangalia nani sana. Mshikilie hivi. Unapomshikilia hivi nesa kila mtu amchukua kwa side 1 2 3 go. Wana ikanaweka. 1 2 3. Hai. Wewe kwani jicha?
Ambe ujua action ni what? Umeshazoea?
Lakini wewe anakuhagingi. Mimi ni hagingi. Not unless ninajaribu kumuonyesha ninaweza muangusha hapa hivi. Sijali vile tunakaa. In a minute it's like 1 2 3. Bam, I'm ready. Twende. This is my feet. Okay, well, I don't mind my room is a mess. Miss just settled in bado. This is what I'm wearing.
It's red. No. How do you know I was not here for a month? You can just see. Weekend is approaching, so we shall get done with all these things. This is the laptop in question. And to report, this pillow has been so comfortable. Siumi na shingo anymore so far. Na nilibuy to like 1500 of Jumia. I like good purchases. Like niko ile age yenye mimi nataka tu kukaa poa. Kukula vizuri, kukaa poa, kulala poa. But I'm genuinely liking this here. You know? It's giving, no? It's giving. Alafu na feel moisturized. Acheni niwaambie. One thing about Germany, maji huko ni so hard. Like ni hard water. Unaoga, unasikia uko dry. So like I had to constantly keep moisturizing. Hey? But I discovered a lotion thanks to my friend. Biotherm. Smells like apricot. Smells so good. Nani poa ni so moisturizing. Sasa siji kisha. Itabidi amenitumanisha ingine. So good. I'm really crossing fingers. See expensive. Cause yeah. Itanibo. But nakapoa, guys. Oh my god, I look so good. Mimi akiwana za shinda pani kijadmire. You can already tell like a laptop. Hey, nimepata Ashanti wako na offers. Wanga so nice kujikuna nini. It's been so long since I treated my kitty to some treats. I like how wanapanga na variety. A lot of variety. Don't mind the background, but nimewambia hata sija unpack bado. Literally. Nangoja makufa kuja weekend ndo ni reset my house. So yeah, laptop imetengenezwa. Nimependa that nimeenda nayo na nimerudi nayo. Iko achia watu laptop inaletanga maneno mingi. And honestly, kwa akili yangu bani iliharibika, nilikuwa like guy inaweza ni cost up to 10k. So ilikuwa within budget. Nilipa 7k, ilikuwa inafaa ku replacewa microchip na honestly a new battery. Then afterwards nikapia Carrefour, nikafanya shopping kidogo. Nataka kutengeneza sauce fulani nilitry Germany. Najaribu ku-replicate kwa sababu ni tamu na mkate. Oh my god. Na mimi napenda mikate. Ai! Hadi nikabai mkate inaenda kukaribia vile vya Germany nione kama nitahack. Hii itakuwa in the next vlog. Tuone kama tulihack. Then katoto kangu akaja kwa akipata treat for a long time. Napenda kuka. Hii treat ndo namfunzanga nayo tabia mzuri. Sasa nataka kujaribu kumfunza kutumia choo. Mniombe. Na nikabasa ingredients za kutengeneza hiyo sauce. Alafu nikajitreat kwa hizi sweet akiwa. Hizi nazo zinapanga like I feel like they're the most healthiest of snacks honestly. Kwanza hii ni dried fruit, iko na mixture iko na banana, pineapple, mango na pineapple ndo favorite. Subscribe so that I can get treats. Sit, high five, good job. Sit. Na uniangalia watu wakuone ukiperform. Sit, high five, good job. Na unangoja nikupe zawadi.